Ready for our sounds of the alphabet. Alphabet. Okay, let's try the A. We have 3 sounds for letter A. The A. Apple. B, baby. Bus. C. We have 2 sounds for letter C. The K and S. K, car. Scent. D, Didi, dog, duck. E, we have 2 sounds for letter E. The elephant. The eel. F, fish. G, girl. Duha ka sa G. And giraffe. H, I, duha, 2 for I, each, ice cream, J, jam, J, K, kiss, kite, king, L, lemon, M, mama, N, nail, nanay, O, duha, 2 for O, the O and O. O, okay, this one orange, and the O for octopus. P, papa, parrot. Q, quail, queen. R, RJ. S, sun. Okay, T, tortoise, turtle, tatay. U, there are 2 sounds for U, the A and the U. A for umbrella, U for uniform. And this one is V, vase, violet, veil. W, walrus, watch. X, X-ray, xylophone. Y, we have 2, and I for buy, and E for the myth or him, and this one is Y, yacht. And the last one is zipper, zoo, zebra. Yes, thank you for watching our alphabet today with my baby. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.